Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 14.1 question number 5. Copy the figure given here. Take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and set a few more squares to make the figure symmetric about a diagonal. Is there more is there more than one way to do that? Will the figure be symmetric about both the diagonals? Let us first draw the diagonal. Let us take a scale, a ruler, and draw the diagonal first. Let us draw the one of the diagonal. Here we'll draw one diagonal only. This is one of the diagonal. This is one of the diagonal. This is one of the diagonal. Now here you see this is one of the diagonal. Take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and set a few more squares to make the figure symmetric about this diagonal. Let us let us set one squares. Suppose we are shading this square. Suppose you are shading this square. Shading this square, and what you find, you see you're shading this square or shading this square, right? And we're shading this square also, right? Here see, if we shade this square, this one, and we are shading this square also, right? Here you see, we have said this square, this square, this square, and this square. Now you see, if we draw this diagonal, that this figure is symmetric to this figure, right? Is there one more way to more? Is there more than one way to do that? Yes, you can do that also. Suppose if we make a diagonal like this, then you will also get the symmetric. Suppose we have make a diagonal, horizontal and vertical diagonal, right? This is the vertical diagonal. Suppose see this one. If we draw a triangle, if we draw a line of symmetry vertical, then it is also symmetric, right? And if we draw another way, that is in this way, that is, it is horizontal, then it is horizontal. If we make a horizontal in this way also, it is this way, it is also, that means it is in this way, it is also symmetric about this horizontal line, symmetric around the vertical line, and symmetric about this diagonal also. Is there More than one way to do that? Yes, there are two ways to do that. Yes, the answer is yes. The answer is the answer is yes, yes. There is more than one way, more than more than one way to do that. More than one way to do that. To do that. To do that. The next question is, will the figure be symmetric about both the diagonals? If we draw a diagonal here, yes, yes, the figure would be yes, the figure, yes, the figure, yes, the figure will be symmetric, will be symmetric, will be symmetric, will be symmetric, will be symmetric about both the diagonals, about both the diagonals. Now if we draw a diagonal with this scale, then you are getting, then you draw this diagonal in this way, and that also see that if we draw this diagonal, this is also symmetric about this diagonal, right? Yes, the figure will be symmetric with both the diagonals. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.